Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change rectangle border color in Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop, then add a rectangle and select this rectangle tool, shape, and select pen tool or shape tool. I use pen tool, then see this stroke, same way for pen tool or shape tool or same way. Click stroke and change color for stroke. Okay, and use customs color, click and drag it, or eyedrop color. Okay, and another way, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, hold alter backspace, press backspace on your keyboard. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.